Hi friends! Let's play a little game. Let's play I Spy. Ready? I spy with my little eye a friend that has bread. That's right. I spy with my little eye a friend who has a little bit of pink. Can you guess? Yes, our bunny friend. Our bunny friend. Spy with my little eye a friend that has black and white. That's right. Our cow friend. I spy with my little eye an animal that says neigh, neigh. That's right. It's our horse friend. I spy with my little eye an animal that says oink, oink. Can you guess? That's right. I spy with my little eye an animal that has floppy ears. That's right. It's our dog friend. I spy with my little eye an animal that says bah, bah. That's right. It's our sheep friend. I spy with my little eye an animal who has orange ears. That's right. It's our cat friend. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a pig, E-I-E-I-O. With an oink oink here and an oink oink there, here an oink there, oink everywhere, and oink oink. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a horse, E-I-E-I-O. With a neigh neigh here and a neigh neigh there, here neigh there neigh everywhere neigh neigh. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O. With a moo moo here and a moo moo there, here a moo there moo everywhere a moo moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a duck, E-I-E-I-O. With a quack quack here and a quack quack there, here quack there quack everywhere quack quack. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a dog, E-I-E-I-O. With a woof woof here and a woof woof there, here a woof there a woof everywhere woof woof. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a sheep, E-I-E-I-O. With a ba-ba here and a ba-ba there, here ba, there ba, everywhere a ba-ba. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a cat, E-I-E-I-O. With a meow meow here and a meow meow there, here meow, there meow, everywhere meow meow. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. There's old MacDonald over there. Look, we have one red barn. One. Let's see what's inside. A chick. One little chick. We have number 2. A yellow barn. Yellow. Let's see what's inside. Open. It's a duck. Quack, quack. Now we have a blue barn. The blue barn has the number 3 on it. 1, 2, 3. Let's see what's inside. It's a dog. It's a dog. dog. Woof, woof. Now we have a green barn. Green. It has the number 4 on it. Let's see what's inside. Moo. It's a cow. Now we have a purple barn. It has the number 5. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's look what's inside. It's a pig. Oink, oink, oink. Now we have a brown barn with the number 6 on it. Can we count together? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's Old MacDonald. Hi, Old MacDonald. Now we have a turquoise barn with the number 7 on it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's a sheep. Bah. This one is a pink barn. It has the number 8 on it. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's see what the pink barn has inside. It's a bunny. What a cute bunny. This one is an orange barn. It has the number 9 on it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I wonder what this one has inside. It's a cat. Meow. Meow. Last one, guys. This one is a gray barn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, 10. Let's see what the gray barn has inside. Horse! A cute little horse. What sound does our cat friend make? That's right. Meow. Meow. What sound does our pig friend make? Oink, oink, oink. What sound does our doggy friend make? Woof, woof, woof. What sound does the cow make? Moo. Moo. What sound does our sheep make? Bah, bah. What sound does our duck friend make? Quack, 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 quack. does our chick make? Cluck, 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 cluck. What sound does our horse friend make? Neigh, neigh, neigh.